Going hiking with friends is one of the most inspiring things on earth. Being surrounded by the beauty of nature and sharing that experience with the people you care about is a truly uplifting experience. It's a great way to get some exercise. And it's also a lot of fun. When you have a bird, you have a friend for life. They are always happy to see you, and they will never leave your side. Birds are some of the most inspirational creatures on Earth, and they can teach us a lot about how to live our lives. They are always happy, no matter what is going on in the world, and they never stop singing. Having a bird is one of the best things you can do for your soul, and it will bring you happiness and peace for years to come. Chocolate cake is one of the most amazing desserts around. It's a rich and indulgent treat that's perfect for those special occasions. But even more than that, chocolate cake is a source of inspiration. When you're feeling down, a slice of chocolate cake can pick you up and remind you of all the good things in life. So go ahead and indulge. You deserve it.